This is how I see Chicago. Not always loud, not always fast. Sometimes it's slow, cold, a little quiet, like the city's just starting to wake up. This time, I saw it through Navy Pier. That usual downtown energy, you can feel it. Even when it's early, the city's already moving. But the further I walked, the more everything started to slow down. Andersonville gave me that small town and a city vibe, like you're in a neighborhood where time moves differently. It's a good reminder Chicago isn't just one thing. It shifts depending on where you stand. Eventually, I made my way to Navy Pier. It's been a minute since I've been out there. The first time I've been there, most of it was under construction. Some of these shops weren't even open yet. Now, it's finished. Still kind of quiet, especially in the early morning, but it feels complete. Like they finally figured out what they wanted it to be. Fun fact, Navy Pier was built back in 1916 for shipping and recreation. During World War II, it actually doubled as a training center for Navy recruits, and over 10,000 people went through there. That's where it got its name. I love the contrast out here. Water on one side, skyline behind you, seagulls flying past, boats rocking gently. It's not the kind of beauty Chicago yells about. It's something you walk into and feel. I dipped in and out of the shops, although everything was closed, but I dipped in and out, mostly just to warm up. It felt weird being in there with everything closed, pretty dark, mostly just security and employees walking around. And I took some shots that I would normally have overlooked. And you know what? This walk, this whole experience, it got me back into shooting again. This shoot actually happened before the Riverwalk. This was that shoot that inspired the Riverwalk. But this is how I see Chicago. Not just the skyline, not just the landmarks, but the in-between moments, the quiet walks, the shifts in perspective. And maybe the part of me that needed to be reminded of why I fell in love with the city in the first place.